about this film? What is this film about?
Okay, as you know, ready? You can start again. As you know, the title of the film name is Aflatun. Aflatun का मतलब ये होता है कि master of all games. Any whether it's a negative or a positive or anything, he is the best. He is the Aflatun. और एक ऐसे आदमी की कहानी है जो एक शादी करना चाहता है एक ऐसी लड़की से जो सबसे अमीर हो, और वो शादी कर भी लेता है. उसके बाद उसको क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, क्या क्या होता है, उस चीज़ में पिक्चर में देखने मिलेगा. I thought you said English. You want in English? Okay, this is a story about a person who wants to get married to a rich girl, and what problem he faces in marrying a rich girl. That's the whole story about it.
What are you doing in this film that you haven't done before?
Well, I've done a lot of comedy in it, and there's one more thing to it which I'm not supposed to say. It's a suspenseful kind of a thing. It's a suspense movie also at the same time. That's different about it.
Actually, in this song, you look like
A very professional female. I think so. No problems at all working with her.
actually the kind of character that you're playing. You don't want the role, but like what is the nature of the man that you're playing in this film?
I just told you he's a very greedy man who wants to get married to a girl who's very rich. So what problems happens to him, that's the basic concept of the role.
And how do you meet Urmila in the film, and how does the relationship develop with them?
Well, I mean, it's a very sooner or later you're going to ask me the whole movie. I think so, because you've come along with asking me how we met and all. That's I'm going to say it, you won't enjoy the movie at all.
One of
I told you, I mean, I'm doing a comedy kind of a thing. So it's all basically on comedy way. और कैसे इस comedy में फंस जाता है. That's the thing.
how's the other music?
Music is very brilliant. It's brilliant. I mean, Gudu has a very good sense of music, and Ziddi, you must have seen it. Elan was also very good. So this also has a brilliant music.
He exploited your character in Tuchor Messi brilliantly. So, I mean, with keeping that image in mind,
Yeah.
and now with this image, how is it different?
So Tu Chor Main Sipahi, I mean, I was playing एकदम लल्लू किस्म का character, and this is, he's Aflatun, as I told you the meaning of it. So that's the difference.
Anything else you want to say about this?
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Love comedy and I'm playing a college-going girl in the film. Very simple, not aware of a lot of things happening in her life and in general around that kind.
And the role which you have played in the past, how different is this from the other ones you played in the past?
No, actually it's not a very different role, to be very honest. It's a very simple college-going girls film. As I said, the film is a basic entertainer, so it's not as if I'm playing something hatke or different or anything like that. I'm just playing a normal college-going film.
Can you expect a hotter Urmila from the audience?
Well, that remains to be seen. I can't give it everything right now.
Okay. The character, the type of person that you are, fun-loving yourself, is something more to elaborate on.
Yeah, I guess it's just that much for now. I don't know.
Anything else? Anything special about this movie? Something that you want to
I think it will be an entertaining film. I'm playing this very simple, innocent, college-going girl who doesn't know a lot of things which are happening around her in the film, obviously. And she's blissfully unaware of all these things, very happy with her own life, being in love with the hero and all that. That's what I'm doing.
How different is it from your other roles, or how similar is it?
No, it's not very different from what I've played or what I or any heroine has played earlier. It's a very typical college-going kind of a film, role in the film. But the film on the whole will turn out to be a nice entertainer, that I can say.
How's your general experience working with her?
Very good.
How is your experience working with Akshay?
Very nice. It's very hard working.
Is he a good romantic hero? Apart from being a macho man?
Yeah, I think so.
And how would like Akshay does good dance? So do you? How are you dancing together? Experience.
I think that people should say how we look good together, whether we dance good together also or not.
Can you tell us a little bit about today's picturization? How does it fit into the role?
This is a very mad kind of a song actually. It's like the lyrics say that put posters and keep screaming that one girl and one boy has gone mad, that kind of a song. So basically the content itself shows that it's a very mad song. It's after we fall in love and we want to scream to the whole world that we fall in love. So we are having a lot of fun shooting it generally.
And how's the other music of the film? I mean, this is a very
Pretty
catchy.
good really. This is a catchy tune. There's another very soft number which is a very romantic song, and then there's another number which is again a fun number.
What would you like to tell your fans? Yes, will it be good? Like we have got tremendous letters from coming for you, saying that you look gorgeous, you dance well.
Yeah, thanks for all their love.
How is it working with Guddu Dhanu?
Really nice. So very nice working with him.
Anything in particular? And he's like a very demanding director. Anything in particular that you like to say about him?
No, I would rather say that it's very comfortable in general. I mean, for the artists as well as the technicians, for everybody, which is very good, I feel.
How much of this film is complete? When do you think one?
It's over. Except for the song, nothing is left.
So when does one get to see you and Akshay together on screen?
I guess in October or November. Or maybe you should ask that to the producers actually, when they decide to let us be in the theatres. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks. Thank you.
I'm making, this is a comedy thriller. Suspense is also there. And last film was my Ziddi, जो मैंने सिर्फ डायरेक्ट की थी. I mean, उसके प्रोड्यूसर थे बबलू पचीसिया. और उस फिल्म में काफ़ी हमको सक्सेस दी, लोगों को बहुत अच्छी लगी. I mean, फिल्म मेकिंग के अंदर हम लोग एक एलिमेंट चुनते हैं जो हम सोचते हैं कि शायद लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा. उसके अंदर हम लोग गलत भी हो सकते हैं, ठीक भी हो सकते हैं. हम लोग भगवान तो है नहीं कि मतलब एक हमने कहानी चुनी कि वो सबको अच्छी ही लगेगी, वो गलत भी लग सकती है. और लास्ट फिल्म जो ज़िद्दी थी वो लोगों को बहुत अच्छी लगी, जिसके अंदर एक्शन बहुत अच्छा था, म्यूज़िक बहुत अच्छा था, आर्टिस्टों ने काम बहुत अच्छा किया था. तो फिल्म मेकिंग के अंदर तो अभी काफ़ी मतलब कॉस्टली बहुत हो जाता है आजकल. फिल्म मेकिंग महंगी बहुत है मतलब, और हर आदमी के बस की बात नहीं है. मतलब प्रोड्यूसर्स बहुत मैच्योर होने चाहिए, मतलब उनको पता होना चाहिए इस लाइन में कैसे काम किया जाता है, एक्टरों के साथ काम कैसे किया जाता है, डेट्स कैसे ली जाती हैं आर्टिस्टों से, उनके साथ करेक्ट प्लानिंग होनी चाहिए. और शूटिंग शेड्यूल शुरू होने से पहले रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या होती हैं, जो डायरेक्टर को बहुत अच्छी तरह प्रोड्यूसर समझते हैं, वहाँ फिल्में भी बहुत अच्छी बनती हैं. और डायरेक्टर का इतना है कि हमेशा बजट को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए, उसको बजट को तोड़ के कभी कुछ नहीं करना चाहिए. आई मीन हर चीज़ बजट के अंदर होती है. कोई भी प्रोड्यूसर जो भी इस फिल्म लाइन के अंदर फिल्म बनाने के लिए आया, वो हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ कमाना चाहेगा मतलब. और ये डायरेक्टर का ध्यान रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि वो इस लाइन से कमा के ही जाए मतलब. तो फिल्म मेकिंग के अंदर तो ऐसा ही है.
सर, आप स्टारकास्ट के बारे में कहेंगे, do you think अक्षय कुमार एंड उर्मिला मातोंडकर really suit the role in the film that they're playing?
या रोल्स के हिसाब से ही उनको लिया गया इस फिल्म के अंदर, और दोनों ने किया भी बहुत अच्छा काम है. म्यूज़िक इस फिल्म का बहुत अच्छा है. दिलीप सेन, समीर सेन ने बहुत अच्छा म्यूज़िक दिया है. आनंद बख्शी जी ने बहुत अच्छे गाने लिखे हैं इसके अंदर, और सब सिचुएशनल सॉन्ग्स हैं. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि हर सिचुएशन ड्रीम सीक्वेंस बना दिया गया है, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है. इसके अंदर सिचुएशन के हिसाब से गाने बनाए गए, उनको रिकॉर्ड किया गया, अच्छा म्यूज़िक बनाने की कोशिश की गई है इसके अंदर. और टी सीरीज़, आज गुलशन जी इस दुनिया में नहीं है, लेकिन मेरे को लगता है जिस तरह से वो बोल के गए थे कि इस फिल्म की प्रमोशन के अंदर मैं ऐसा कर दूंगा गुड्डू के सब देखते रह जाएंगे. आज उनके बेटे ने इस बिज़नेस की बागडोर संभाली, और मेरे हिसाब से आज भी वैसा ही होगा जैसा वो चाहते थे.
Sir, in this particular song, how did the situation rise to where this song is being?
अभी जिस सिचुएशन जो गाना हम शूट कर रहे हैं, जो आपने देखा मतलब गाना जो शूट हो रहा है, उसके अंदर मतलब लड़की उर्मिला पहली बार अक्षय को बोलती है आई लव यू. सो इट्स अ रोमांटिक नंबर. अच्छा डांसिंग मोमेंट्स हैं इसके अंदर, लोगों को अच्छा लगना चाहिए.
The title Aflatun, how does it go with the entire plot of the story?
अफलातून मतलब ऐसा कैरेक्टर है जो दुनिया के अंदर हर काम कर सके. मतलब मास्टर माइंड जिसको बोल सकते हैं, मास्टर ऑफ गेम्स बोल सकते हैं, जैक ऑफ ऑल ट्रेड्स. ऐसा करेक्टर मतलब उसको अफलातून बोलते हैं।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। ओके